હેલો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આજે આપણે માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટ એસે જોઈશું. એકદમ સરળ વાક્યોનો ઉપયોગ કરી અને માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટનો એસે અહીંયા આગળ આપણે બનાવેલો છે કે જે મધ્યમ કક્ષાના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ હોય તેને પણ એકદમ આસાનીથી યાદ રહી શકે અને પરીક્ષામાં સારા એવા માર્ક્સ મેળવી શકે. તો આપણે એકદમ સરળ ભાષામાં માય ડ્રીમ રોબોટનો એસે જોઈશું. My dream robot's name is Chitty. Chitty would be of metallic blue color. He would have metallic blue arms. He would have metallic silver 2 feet. He would have metallic yellow ears. He would have metallic pink nose. He would have metallic red eyes. He would have metallic grey lips. He would have metallic golden belly. He would have metallic silver legs. He would have metallic colorful hair. He would have metallic golden fingers. He would have metallic golden cheeks. He would have metallic golden neck. He would have metallic golden eyebrow. He would have metallic golden shoes. He would have metallic golden tie. He would have metallic red t-shirt. He would have emotion. He would have feelings. Second paragraph. My robot is all-rounder. He can do any work. He can cook food. He can teach Gujarati, Hindi, Sanskrit, maths, science, social science, computer, English, etc. etc. He can clean your home. He can look after your garden. He can operate computer. He can operate mobile. He can operate TV. He can operate mixer. He can repair car. He can drive motorbike. He can drive airplane. He can drive powerboat. My robot can feel like a human being. He will laugh. He will cry. He will smile. He will shoot. He will fight. He will cry. He will be angry. He will argue. He will be happy. My robot would be my pride. Thank you.